Nowadays, many people look for easy methods to gain extra cash. Thankfully, there are many new ways to make money online, boost your monthly income, or even begin a new career. In this video, I will tell you top ways of earning money online. We'll focus on short and long-term money-making ideas to make extra cash by relying on digital resources step by step. Find what suits you best based on your availability and needs, and earn up to $5,000 per month. Let's get started. But before we dive into this video, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button to keep updated on all our new videos. Number 1. Start an e-commerce business. You can reach up to $63,000 in monthly revenue in 3 months and up to $127,000 in year 1. If you're looking for a large payout that can gradually lead to a full-time occupation, you can start an online store. Setting up a small online business has never been easier as long as you find the right products or services. To build a profitable business, find products and services that you're passionate about and conduct market research to determine their potential. Then sit down to map the logistics. You don't have to start big. Just shape your brand and take it one step at a time. Moreover, you can get into the world of dropshipping, a business model that has gained many fans over the years. In short, you act as a mediator between the customer and a third-party supplier. You don't need anything in stock as they fulfill the orders on your behalf. Number 2. Join an affiliate marketing program. Novices can earn up to $1,000. Mid-level affiliates can reach $10,000, while advanced affiliates can make $100,000 plus. Becoming an affiliate marketer should be ideal for professionals interested in making a passive income. Affiliate marketing takes place when an affiliate or publisher earns a commission for a product or service they promoted successfully to their audiences. Affiliates can choose between physical and digital products as long as they feel as if they can convince their audience to buy with them. Even though promoting physical products can convert faster than digital, the commission is usually lower. Number 3. Become an influencer. Micro-influencers, those in the range of 10 to 50,000 followers, can make anywhere from $40,000 to $100,000 per year, but it depends on many factors. If you love social media and creating content regularly, you can consider leveling up your social profiles. For example, on Instagram or TikTok. If you specialize in a niche market, for example, education or traveling, you can create more specific content and target certain people by addressing their pain points. As your following grows, you can start experimenting with different content types to see what drives more engagement, and sponsorships will start coming your way. Even though this is one of the most creative ways to make money online and turn it into a real business, you'll need time to notice results. Plus, competition is high in certain markets, so you better do your research first. Number 4. Start a blog. People who monetize their blog can earn $20,000 to $50,000 annually. If you love expressing yourself through writing, you can become a blogger. To build a successful blog, target a specific niche market and audience is much more efficient. If you publish great content consistently and apply SEO principles, you can turn your blog website into a real moneymaker. For instance, you could add affiliate links to blog posts that drive high traffic or sell advertising space to other businesses. To set up an online business like this, you should dedicate time and effort. But if you have a creative spirit, this safe writing space may give you the freedom you need. Number 5. Create a YouTube channel. The average YouTuber earns $18 for 1,000 ad views and around $5 for 1,000 video views. However, the final income varies on many factors. If you're more confident with public speaking and have more solid storytelling skills, you could also start a YouTube channel to make money online. Again, sticking to a specific field is best if you want to gain authority and followers fast by creating how-to videos. Let's see an example. You could also run YouTube ads and leverage the power of YouTube SEO to win even more traffic. And last but not least, number 6. A successful seller can make between $43,000 and $46,000 per year on average, according to a report. Etsy, a selling platform for independent creators and sellers, had 96.3% active users, with many staying loyal to the platform over time. So if you enjoy creating handicrafts like pottery or jewelry, you can build your own store on Etsy to increase your income. Setting up your own profile is pretty straightforward, but the competition is high, so it'll take some more time to be visible. Read this manual and learn how to create a successful Etsy shop store online. You should be 18 years or older to be eligible to open an Etsy store. And those are the best ways and easiest ways to make money online. You can make up to $5,000 or more in income per month by following the steps I described in this video. What easy way will you choose to make money this month? Let me know in the comment box below. And don't forget to subscribe to Recession Money and press that bell icon, and I will meet you guys soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.